Hello everyone, I am Sofikul Mullik. Welcome to Coding Adda. Today we will discuss method receiver can have two types, value receiver and pointer receiver. Let me show you one example. We have one struct person. It has two fields, name string and age integer. Now we have two methods. One is update name method, another is print method. This update name method is pointer receiver method. This update name method is pointer receiver method because it's defined on address of type person, and this print method is defined on type person. This star means it refers to the memory address of type person. Print method is printing the person. Now we have main function. In this main function, we have created one P1, one person with name, some name and age 25. Now we are printing p1.print. It will print this P. Now we have another person P2 with name, some name and age 25. Now this P2 holds memory address of this person of this type, and P1 holds the type and P2 holds the memory address of the type. Now we are calling P2.update name with the name some new name. So this method will be called and the name will be updated to some new name. So we are calling this update name method with the address of type because it's a method with pointer receiver. So what's the difference? The modifications will done here will persist after the function call. That means here. But in case of value receiver, the modification will not persist because value receiver copies the data, then it modifies in the copied data. So the original data is not modified because it's not holding the memory address, but pointer receiver holds the same memory address. So this P variable and this P2 variable holds the same memory address. So let me execute this. So what output we will got? The output we will got some name age 25, but here the name will be some new name, age will be 25. Yes, name some name age 25, and for P2.print name some new name age 25 because this update name is a pointer receiver method. If we make it to value receiver and we print, then we can see the modification is not persist now. The name is till some name. Okay, so I have written one note here. Pointer receiver will be good fit for large data because it doesn't copy the data. It's hold the reference of memory location. So it will be faster. And point two, if we need to mutate the type during the method call, then we will use pointer receiver. Now I will show you one more thing. Update name method can be called with the type also instead of memory address of the type. So we have removed ampersand, the memory address portion. Now we have called with the type p2 dot update name. Now check the output. Yes, it's working. So method with pointer receiver can be called by type or memory address of the type. Okay. So in this lecture we have learned what is value receiver, what is pointer receiver, when to use it, and how to call it. That's all for this lecture. Thank you.